The whole of this makes sense, Shay. Remember you dash your whole gully, you dash your whole out a train line, you dash your whole all over. Remember back to know your crutches. Remember, Shay, remember you was the little butch that take hood. Remember. So when you go on like your prize and queen, you go on like she get a trophy. Queenie, that is bagger's board you are eating. He's a chichi. But you pay for what you want drink. She remember say any similar drink? Remember any similar drink I have not any money? Remember any similar drink, Shay? And one thing with me, ask anybody, he said, me I got one function, me I walk with a back like anything in my vehicle, if me know says a round robin you are keep. Yeah. Remember, Shay? Remember well. Remember. So when you talk about you not even have jerk chicken money. You not even have jerk chicken money. Remember me intoxicated the night and through me I drive your vehicle. And you talk about say we never have no vehicle. Shay, everybody around you have vehicle. Are you alone in a rental? Are you alone in a rental? Everybody around you have vehicle. Even the lady. Even the lady. Where you say you don't know she. Everybody have vehicle, Shay, that you miss. You never know, and you're the only broke foreigner. That's why you never look better than us. We, our, they and them. Yeah. Some of the whole always sit down and reason and go down Emmanuel Road little. Because you go on like you're about shotting a queen, you alone by your bullets. Queen, you alone by your bullets. So come at the whole of a reason. Me tell you say I can party, Shay. Wasn't that the thing I said? Isn't that the thing I said, Shay? Me tell you say I can party. And you have to go back to Jaden them and tell them, oh yeah man, it's nice and fun for go to it, so me for it for go somewhere. Shay, when I me a drive and I me turn up and I me pick the spot, me for free for go somewhere. Number one, me not do batty event. So what you say, you go like your accreditation out here. Mina Raja, Shay, make we talk out when we go out now, Shay, you look over your shoulder so like you're just by a pallet. Come make we talk about that now, Shay. Everywhere we go, you look over your shoulder. Your eyes, them a wonder. But you know, say, in farming, you do make you could come to Jamaica, me understand. Eh? Who fired your sled because you wanted to sleep at night because your auntie ain't answering. Never did the answer. You call your auntie from Portmore to Kingston and I know your auntie not give the time of the day. You ring downtown though. And get through. You ring downtown and get through. Come now. Make a talk now. I pay a grind you get for rest. Remember say your Air B&B money coming in your front. Yeah, come now. Imagine you get put out a Phoenix Park. Me no know, me never hear this yet. You get put out a Phoenix Park and you balance Air B&B money. Remember the man did have a call on your phone. The man call you, come, I don't know how you and Queenie could have dip on the phone for the entire night. The man call you, come, comes until you vex. The man want him money. Remember, I couldn't wicked to you, so to make you even buy jerk chicken and I know you owe Air B&B. Come now. As a foreigner, your purse tacky. Remember the whole of we are talking, because you go like you have shot and Queenie pick up speng shell. Nothing now come out of the gun, Queenie, go rest. Yeah? So when Jaden say your book is true, it's true you never have no money. You are one girl, when Shay go in her bag, and my friend look in her bag, not that sign, what you got? Not a line, not a letter, nor a 50-cent stamp. Remember say because of you, my friend couldn't buy no jerk chicken because she shame. Remember I offer throw money in the vehicle. I leave money in your vehicle, Shay. For your buy gas. It's not my rental. It's yours. You didn't have it. You didn't have it. So come now. Can't pay with your suck out here, and your mouth is a chalice. That's why you go up and reminisce on hookah. I pay you puff when you come down here, you puff pants front. So when you sit down and you talk, Shay, a queen jump up about me could have pies in a seafood, which that was my intent. You understand me and you come now, but and look how them could have pies in me a red eye. You see me I eat curry crab from you there Belgium and lost off it. Eh? Me not ask you. Me not ask you. The digital footprint there. All when you say me now go nowhere with your shame, me not. You forced me. You forced me. I was forced.
Them friend me and they on me and invite me out. You hear that? Them friend me, they on me, invite me out for come eat. And never know say they plan for poison me. Once bitten, twice shy. Me live and me learn. Never again. When me could I ever do you for you and for poison me. So me left my seafood near you. Got the bathroom come back. That means you could have put things in them man. I mean nobody no know how me dead until me do one autopsy and then find out how me dead. You could tell me say me for stay by myself. You think me not learn kids? You think me an idiot? You have to catch me with my shirt tear. You think me an idiot? It can't happen again. You just need one something for open your eyes. Me not going nowhere unless it's me and Queenie. I'll never go alone. Never. I will never go alone again. Anywhere me I go, I'm me and Queenie. Me not go nowhere. No more. When me hear them say them should have poison me, that mean a long time them have me up then. But why you talk to me? Why you invite me out for eat? Why you tell us so we are go on dinner? You invite all. I would even want to call her name.
Wait now, you say same knife, stick sheep, stick goat. Same thing where Shay the people come back and share ball. Shay ever promise nobody for poison them yet? Come on for the woman life. No chat to blood clot much. Better me sit down and continue tell the lie them. Will ma tell over there.
But me ever do you suffer one for you one poison me. Yeah, them can cuss and say whatever and it's okay. I don't mind anybody cuss and bring me down. Because me bring down whole heap of girl over here and whole heap of people. So if you don't want to bring me down a phone, no problem. That not enough to do with me. But me that never say me should have poison or me did want for poison. But me just say when me could have ever do you never have problems on TikTok yet. So when me could have ever do you in a life, for you want poison me, you probably have me up for the man. That is okay because me thinks every time you say to me say, you give up my man, me think a joke you make. But now you start to make me think say you're serious. Because all of them something the way you say a joke and a joke you make. Get it serious, man. So you hate me for one man. Did all you did want to end up poisoning me? Me dear. But that's how it goes still. You live and you learn.
But you yeah, I wanted poison to get rid of your Shay. Remember say you come look for Jaden and Jaden never there feed you, Shay. Every day you text me via Instagram, Where you there? Come with me, you go out now. Come with me, you go do this now. Come with me, you go do that now. And Shay, me know you broke. So me know it's on my account. Me know you broke. Remember you did want me go all watch you with you. I'm going to tell you no, Shay. Come now, you are spend. Shay, you not have it. You couldn't spend at dinner, then all you have to spend at out here, Shay. Out here expensive. People out here not wearing anything like what you are wearing. Out here is very expensive. That much you need to know. You never know. Then Shay, you can go like you want small up my thing. That's why me not do parties. Anyway, me go me have to leave a mark and that me do you. Me leave a mark on you. So today I have to go and evangelize. You preach about me to Daima, Jaden and all of them. Yeah, you did. And you make Daima say to me, say, Auntie, oh me you there so long time and blah blah is you. And I do have no regret in taking Daima. None whatsoever. Yeah. I wanted to take Daima and you're forcing yourself. Remember, Shay, I 2 chances me get for poison you. And I got so intoxicated. Yeah, 2 chances. And yeah, come and go like your portion an individual, Shay. I have several seats beside Queenie in the back. Una on a bad day. Shay, the thing tough out here. Remember you did broke a Jamaica, you broke a Belgium, and you come back and broke a Jamaica, you pick up where you leave. Broke. So me the whole always sit down and reason. You see, I have a cousin when you come out and tell you, say, don't go nowhere with me. And you still come, you're a slaughtered lamb. You are a slaughtered lamb. It's a sacrifice. And I have no regret. So make the whole of this make sense, Shay. Remember you have no receipt for me. Remember my book Clean a Road, because I never leave my whole a gully. Remember you dash your whole a gully. You dash your whole out a train line. You dash your whole all over. Remember back to know your crutches. Remember, Shay. Remember you was the little butch that take hood. Remember. So when you go on like your prize and Queen, you go on like she get a trophy. Queenie, that is bagger's board you are eat down. He's a chichi. Yeah, me the whole of we reason shit. Let all of us reason. Me tell you say, you know more than me, you know skill in a them game you more than me. Me the art and the finish of them game you. Yeah, when it comes to them game you shit, me draw back your pass. Cause you leave your clit at Jamaica, you know. Remember say you leave your clit at Jamaica. Oh, I mean not talk what you when you come, you leave you run off, leave your clit. Remember you not take nobody with sense. Remember so the reason why Jaden put you out and because you machine people, you know, and because you come broke. You come very broke. Queen on a broke in the internet cafe, on a broke in the internet cafe, me nah lie. I only the only set me say go out and eat the same thing every time when I go up on date. Every time when I go up on date, when I eat the same thing, when I make sure budget on yourself from on the yard and pick the same restaurant, when I know the menu back and forth. Me nah ask you, tell me I tell you, Shay. Shay, remember me not put on brown suit for throw award, me come direct. Where people not see me say, I una alone, una have a favorite restaurant, even the chef know uno. Even the chef know uno. So make it make sense, my baby. You're a girl who broke from your dad Jamaica and you're the only butch me see with grind. You grind, and nobody look for you. Nobody don't even say, come my child, all this. Nobody. She make your life make sense. At 10 minutes you spend with your little boy now and you leave him for 7 years. Clock is ticking. 10 minutes for 7 years. So when the whole of no one jump up and talk, Shay, who for would you suck at town? Because Queenie must dip on the phone when you are something with Queenie hear them. And that Queenie here, all Queenie and nastiness. Queenie and a big nastiness. Queenie, you know say Shay all use up. You know Shay all use up. Queenie, you know Shay did that for sex for rest. You know Night View that kill the foreigner. Anyhow the foreigner never call town Night View, kill it. Cause since I never get to business, you know, I did go make Night View do the work. Cause me nah lie, Shay would have to sleep in the rental and change out of the market bag. She the only girl me say me can't find none of the grocery bag them. My friend will like come go over this feet. Over the bag them, me did have only you know. No man, cause nobody no believe me. I'm moving on out. The Air B&B. Yeah, Shay. Me now ask you. Whole heap of them here you did have a move out of the Air B&B. A lot of these. And this look two good people. A lot of these. A lot of these you did have moving out of the Airbnb. A lot of these. Me now ask you. That's why I never say nothing, you know. Cause your traveling pack, me hate it. Me hate your traveling pack. What poop it up. Me just want to beat up your traveling pack. Me nah lie, then Queenie really not realize. Then Shay never lay down in her bed and tell Queenie, oh, you move out of the Airbnb when the landlord stand up on you. And you owe him and you have to give him the balance of the money. It mash you up, you couldn't even go back. You couldn't even go back here, it can't mash you up. And another thing, Shay. Me never see a foreigner yet come down with half a bottle of cologne. Come here. Shay. Now your cologne this you leaving in my neighbor vehicle. Now your cologne this you leaving in my neighbor vehicle, Shay. Shade. Now your cologne this from Belgium to Jamaica. Isn't this your cologne? And your cologne this, Shay. I just want you to know, say, from you leave it in my neighbor vehicle, you can't tell nothing at all, say, me use your things. Me no use them, yeah. That's too strong. Me no use them, they're too strong. Them they're for man. Them they are for man. What you say? No, you're you this. And I hear you this. Queenie, this is not Shay you. Oh. What you say? I say to all you pull up and you don't live nowhere. So that's why I tell the people, them say you come at the dinner with your baby ear, them lift up and tell me go. I want baby kite up on your head. Eh? And you're the only foreigner I see a dandish and then a hide and seek landlord. And I hear you this Shay. Is this yours? You. Too strong, that hurt head, that hurt my head. That hurt my head. That of a girl with eye green arm. That of a girl with eye green arm. I owe that girl wear them ya Jaden right when him say you smell like sardine. Cause you not even come out feminine, you come out very rugby. Very rugby. You could have got a World Cup go keep goal. Yeah, you could have been a goalie. My thank you. Me now go wait until you come and tell people. But people on the mall take my cologne. No, I did not. You would left it in my neighbor's vehicle. See there. That's you. That's you. Now I will not joke with my baby girl. Because I not play a game. Me's a detective. Me's a CIA, FBI, UFO. Well, I feel like the UFO. So when you try shoot shot, shoot it somewhere else. Now shoot it around me, my baby. Yeah, go back over Jaden. Yeah, because when people are take you now, me I take you back then. Because up to now, Queenie now tell you say you're still a teeth for an adult. You want a teething ring. You're still a teeth. You alone are supposed to raise them on foot. And come a dinner in a moustache. I see why you wear your you. Yes, so me arrest you. Yes, so me arrest you today. Yeah. So when Queenie run up her stinking mouth and I go on a whole heap of cocky track, Queenie suck out of your hole when you come back. Whole heap of body mark. Whole heap of body mark when you use that tongue and do and wipe out your underneath. Shay, you can't talk to me. Your woman smell like cat food. I wonder if you can really talk to me, Shay. Go over back to Jaden here. I'm alone can accommodate you. Always remember, say you and Queenie order cat food, tuna, sardine, yeah, anything to do with puss. And that's a phone of fragrance. Come take up your you. My love you, little more.